So there's been an upgrade that I've been wanting to do to my Cybertruck for quite some time now, but I've been debating whether or not I should actually go through with it. Thankfully for me, CyberGear sent me over something that makes this process very easy and still accomplishes what I was looking for, and that is the brake caliper cover. So I've been debating whether or not I should pay somebody to come out and paint my brake calipers, and I haven't done it yet. One thing I really wanted was the ability to have like butter yellow, right? Considering my channel is Butter EV, and CyberGear, as a matter of fact, happens to have that color. So the cool part is this is super easy and simple to install yourself. Even comes with some Cybertruck stickers that you can put on the cover, which is super cool. So let's go ahead and get them installed, and then I'm going to show you that process as well as what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where you want to lift it from on the bottom of the Cybertruck. So right here, this plate right here is where you want to put your jack to lift up the Cybertruck. This right here. If you put it on the plastic, it's going to break the plastic, and you don't want it over here because this is protecting the batteries. So this is the spot right there. So it's really easy to get these on. If they give you some bolts to go ahead and install them, you have these different brackets. So essentially this one goes to the top, and then these go down here on each side. So let me show you how that works. And there you go, that's it. Now let's go ahead and get the stickers on, and we're done with this front wheel. So I'm electing to go with black. There you go. Looks good, huh? Whoa. There you go, there's the brake caliper cover from CyberGear. This is the front wheel. Now let's go ahead and get the rear wheel installed. Okay, so as you can see, the brackets that they provide just sit on top, like so, and then come from the bottom, and then you're just going to line up these holes with the mounting points. Alright, now let's get the sticker on, and then this wheel is complete. So the rear wheels get smaller stickers, and I'm going with black again. So another thing is, whenever you're tightening up your lug nuts, you want to go in opposite direction. So what I mean is, if I do the top one first, then I want to do the one across from it.
and then I do this one, this one, this one, and that one. So just wanted to point that out.
The last and probably the most important thing that you want to do whenever you're taking off your wheels and tires is make sure that you have a torque wrench like this, where you can set the foot-pounds and make sure that you have every lug nut tightened to the specification for the Cybertruck, which is 151.8 pounds. So I already have that set. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten them up and we're done. So once again, these caliper covers are from CyberGear. I'm going to go ahead and leave their information in the description below. And if you want to get some of yours, you can use my coupon code BUTTEREV for 15% off. But look how cool those look.